New microphone, new box. Let's get into it. Hi, everybody. Welcome back to the Canadian Maker Project. My name here is Ron. I'm here to help you with your creativity and ideas for 3D printing. And once again, it's that time of the month. No, not that time of the month. This time of the month for this. This is the Filabox box from filaments.ca. So I haven't opened this up yet. Usually I open them up before I do these videos, just so I know what I'm getting myself into. This box is kind of neat. This would be April's box. So let's get into this. Take my trusty little, thing here. This is sharp enough to cut through this tape. Okay. Let's see what's in the box, shall we? I know what it says on it, but I don't know if that's going to be it or not. So, they taped this box good too. So, Filabox is a program that's run by filaments.ca, and I signed up for their PLA box. Now they do have a PETG box, and they do have the 500 gram spool boxes. I love to see their 500 gram spool box just to see what that's all about. This one got me a little interested because this might be a dual color filament. Because on the box itself, it says it's a gold and bright gold silk PLA polychromic. So it's just a silk PLA, but it's probably one of those dual color type ideas. So let's have a look, and we'll have a look what's in the box. So as usual, you get your paper, your baggie. You get your receipt, telling you what you ordered. Let's see if there's any stickers in here too. Sometimes they'll put the stickers inside here. Last couple boxes there's not been any stickers in it. Nothing in this one. Just says it's the order for my plan I'm on. They gave me the mailer again. Swedish fish. I've never tried this. I have no idea what it could be. But because I'm diabetic type 2, sugars are a no-no for me. Sucks. Okay, nothing else but just a spool here. All right, let's have a look at this a little bit more closely. So looking at this, it just looks like it's yellowy gold color. I'm not going to know much until I get this on the actual printer to tell you. But it does look like there might be some difference in the coloring from what I can see here, but nothing like that sticks out or anything. So I'm going to get this on the printer. I'm going to print two items. One's going to be a vase, because why not? And the other one is going to be something else I can figure out to print, because I'm a little curious on this color, and let's go see what it looks like. Okay, so the prints are done. I can tell you this right now. I'm not impressed. Did take me a couple of days to get through this. I actually had to print other projects. Go figure. So this is the type of vase I wanted to print out, just a small version of it, just to get an idea what I was looking at. And as you can see, there is some shifting, but not really anything big. It's like in person, it just looks orange with a little bit of gold in it. Nothing spectacular. But I wanted to see how it would do on flexible. So I found this flexible, a sea dragon, I think it was called, or a sea serpent. There's an issue with this print, and I'll explain it fairly simple. You can't print this with Prusa. According to Prusa Slicer, there's too many errors in this, and I did see the errors. I could also see it in Cura. Actually, Cura was the only one that was able to print this properly on the Ender 5, and these were all printed on the Ender 5, so just let you guys know. Ender 5's become like my new workhorse. It's a remarkable printer. I can't give it enough praise for what it does. It has stood up. It has been powerful, but like I said, this is not about Prusa. This is not about this is not about my Ender 5. This is about what the color of the filament was like. And that's the result I got. So you can see a little bit of gold. You can see a little bit of an orangey copperness to it. But I'm still not happy with this. And my dog's barking for no apparent reason. Great. Hopefully you guys don't have to hear it, but he is barking. Anyways, the color of this is not what I was expecting. I was expecting a very gradient shift. When you look at those 2 or 3 ply filaments that are now out there, I thought this is what I was getting into. 2 to 3 ply color change. No difference whatsoever. I thought from one gold to another gold, I thought it was going to be, I was a little like questioning it when I first saw it. I went, okay, that looks interesting, but what am I going to be looking at as a color gradient? And now looking at it, I can actually say, I really don't understand why they took the colors. I would have done personally myself. I would have done maybe a gold with a silver or gunmetal color to offset the gold. So you get that silky gold look with some gray metal, like gunmetal type idea, shine it up. It would probably make the object just go. But this does nothing. I'm really disappointed with the colors. I'm disappointed with what it does. But like I said, this is why it's took me so long to record this. Is I don't know how to explain how I am not. See, I'm not disappointed. I am more, I guess, displeased is the word I'm looking for with what I'm getting out of this filament. It is not what I was expecting it to be. That's the best way I can explain it. Well, everybody, I want to thank you once again for coming out and watching the show. Hey, just to let you know, if you're trying to figure out why I'm taking so long, I'm still going through other stuff, and there's probably going to be another video coming out soon where I'm going to talk a little bit more about what's going on. So you guys don't worry, I'm still safe. I'm still okay. But yeah, I'm going to have to talk about a few things. So anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Hope you're having a great week. Or great day, whichever time you watch this. And yeah, happy 3D printing. And guys, keep on printing. Talk to you later. Bye.